The 2025 Honda CR-V is here, and it's better than ever. With a bold new design, advanced technology, and improved performance, this SUV continues to set the standard in its class. Whether you're looking for a reliable family vehicle or a versatile daily driver, the CR-V delivers on all fronts. Let's start with the exterior. Honda has refined the CR-V's look with a more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that enhance aerodynamics. The updated design gives it a more premium feel while maintaining the rugged versatility CR-V owners love. The available 19-inch alloy wheels and a range of new colors add to its striking appearance. Under the hood, the 2025 CR-V offers two impressive powertrain options. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine produces 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft of torque, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. But if you're looking for more efficiency without sacrificing performance, a hybrid model is the way to go. The CR-V Hybrid combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors, producing 204 horsepower and significantly improving fuel economy. With Honda's advanced all-wheel drive system available, the CR-V is ready for all kinds of road conditions. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, tech-packed interior designed for comfort and convenience. The 2025 CR-V boasts high-quality materials, a more refined dashboard layout, and extra legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives or daily commutes. Technology is a major highlight in this year's model. A standard 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. Higher trims offer a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system, making every drive more enjoyable. And with features like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an available 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, the CR-V ensures you have everything you need at your fingertips. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 CR-V is no exception. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced safety and driver assist features, comes standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new 360-degree camera system for better visibility. The CR-V is designed to give you peace of mind, whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on a weekend road trip. Practicality remains one of the CR-V's strongest suits. With up to 76.5 cubic feet of cargo space when you fold down the rear seats, it's perfect for carrying groceries, sports equipment, or luggage for a family vacation.